Philippines, and I'd like you to meet my friends together with their trainers one at a time. On your left side is one of the eldest females, South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident! Her name is Isis, together with trainer Bibi. Say it hi! And on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Oh, confident! Her name is Kaya, together with trainer first. Say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called queen or feather-coated maricamas? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask it. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers with the shape that the birds wing. You know, the term Philippines may also be translated as wing. Since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. What's that mean? And did you know, they're often mistaken like the seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between the seals and the sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the final demonstration of a round of applause for sea lion friend. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So guys, let's write another round of applause for sea lion friend. And as you can see, their bodies are covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers have the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fiber, which make them sensitive. Ooh, nice. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. And they have a keen eyesight back of color vision in the wild. They have covers close to shores, monochrome with tight food, and have a preference for activities. They have excellent climbing ability, which can easily scale. Rocky Lens, check this out. Truly strong hot rivers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Kyra, the US.
Ano siya? Haba na siya.
Sea lions can generally cruise about 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers. While their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that
Kahit
is their
magano siya,
normal
kahit
swim,
magtagal siya dyan.
eyes, and
Sa tubig, hindi ka
thank
rin
you so
siya.
much. Highlight members. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Isis? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. A round of applause for Isis. The BTS. Ooh, nice shot. And another one. She has super red. Now here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy asked us to few of them to take part of their special operation? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet abilities that even the best diver would be envious.
Rihanna.
And since
Hey.
they cannot be detected by radar underwater, and are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mass. Ladies, trainers, are you ready? Well then, let's start.
Dito ako, dito, dito ako.
Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute. This time, could you please join us in a salute? And a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So winners, but first, the rings. Go ahead and get the rings, sea lions. And they got it. Applause for sea lions. And another one. Perfect. Winners, what's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball?
Ano paano? Ball.
Hey!
Ano sa ilong mo?
Ball balance! Careful there. Careful. Let it. Fantastic! Excellent work, baby.
Pagod na pagod.
This time, would you like to say dance number from our Sheila friend? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, music maestro. Let's do it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! Now show them that we say hi. Stand up, river dancing. Rock and roll dancing. Into the water ballet. Into the turning. Come on, trainers. Around the world we go. Round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Come on, ladies, show them that boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, boogie hey. And our favorite part, the boogie hey. Shake those booties. Come on, trainers. Eva. Keep on slowly. Now we're ready. Show them what you got. People in the crowd, spread the camera, and this is the best part. Let it. Arriba. And for the finale.
Sabay, sabay, sabay.
Ready? Let's go. A round of applause for Sheila Fitz, the trainer last week for that great dance number.
Pasaya sila po.
Sweet. We hope you enjoy spending the afternoon here at Romanica with your new friends. The South American Sea Lions, Isis, and Giants. And we also hope that if you believe, you will take the experience with you wherever you go. Now remember that whatever we have done, great affects our pregnancies. Sea lions, like penguin animals, can observe by human judgment and balance. So let's keep our aquatic clean. As aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our scenario. Always keep in mind that we're the stewards of our planet and each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of ICC Trader JV, I like Trader Birds, and all of us here from Africa and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you enjoy and visit us again soon. So take and have a nice day. Say goodbye now from Sila and Friends. Bye! By the way guys, if you have some souvenir photos from Lovely Birds and Sea Lion, please support the photographer over there at the exit area. And again, thank you for watching.